Here, I hand off to you. Going back and forth. It's okay. Wait, I hold on to your The cry I bring down from the hills belongs to a girl still burning inside my head.
At daybreak, she burns like a piece of paper. She burns like foxfire in a thigh-shaped valley.
A skirt of flames dances around her at dusk. We stand with our hands hanging at our sides while she burns like a sack of dry ice.
She burns like oil on water. She burns like a cattail touch. Dipped in gasoline, she glows like a fat tip of a banker's cigar, silent as a quicksilver. Tiger under a rainbow at nightfall. She burns like a shot glass of vodka. She burns like the fields of poppies. At the end of a rainforest, she rises like dragon smoke on my nostrils. She burns a burning bush driven by a god-awful wind.
All right.
How would you the entire time?
Now read. Audacity of the lower gods. I know salt marshes that move along like one big trembling wing. I've noticed insects shiny as gold in a blues singer's teeth and more keenly calibrated than a railroad watch. But at heart, I'm another breed.
The audacity of the lower gods, whatever name we own. Diver, Siloba, we say, unfolding poison oak. Lovers go untouched as we lean from bay windows with telescopes trained on a yellow sky. I'd rather let the flowers keep doing what they do best, unblessing each petal, letting go a year's worth of white death notes, busily unnaming themselves.
But now, I turn it over.
The unnatural state of the unicorn.
Introduce me first as a man. Don't mention superficial laurels, the dead heap up on the living. I am a man. Cut me and I bleed. Before embossed limited editions, before fat artichoke hearts marinated in rich sauce and served with imported wines, before antics and Agnus Dei, before the stars in your eyes mean birth, sign, or impression, I am a man. I've scuffled in mud holes, broken teeth in a grinning skull like the moon behind bars. I've done it all to be known as myself. No titles. I have principles. I won't speak on the natural state of the unicorn in literature or self-analysis. I have no birthright to prove, no insignia, no secret password, no fleur-de-lis. My initials aren't on a branding iron. I'm standing here in unpolished shoes and faded jeans, sweating my manly sweat. Inside my skin, loving you, I am this space my body believes in.
By the way, if anybody you guys want to do one round over there? Acro? You do more acro? Wait, Scooby-Doo wants to read. That's all I'm saying.
Scooby read. We'll do acro. Let's do good. Wait, we can do acro on the river. It's coming down.
It's called Faith Healer.
Go!
Scooby's reading. We'll get a little bit. All right, Scooby-Doo.
Over there.
Faith healer.
Crystal.
Scooby, get here. This way, Scooby-Doo. This way,
dear Lord.
Scooby-Doo. Oh, well. He gets spooked easily, it's true. Oh man, I want to say about water, but it's okay. The dog act. I'm the warm-up act. I punch myself in the face across the makeshift stage. Fall through imaginary trap doors. Like the devil, I turn cartwheels and set my hair afire. Contradiction, the old barker drunk again on these lights and camaraderie. The white poodles, Leo, Camellia, St. John, and Anna leap through fiery hooves to shake my hand. I make a face that wants to die inside me. Step right up, ladies and gentlemen. See the greatest show on earth. Two-headed lions, seraphim, unicorns, satyrs, a woman who saws herself in half. I can buckle dance till I am in love with the trapeze artist. Can I have your attention now? I'm crawling across the stage floor like a dog with 4 broken legs. You're supposed to jump up and down now, laugh, and applaud.